Hello guys, wish you a warm welcome to our channel and also our family freecourses.com. So today there is a big announcement for all of us because today I am sharing you the two new job updates, okay, and with a huge salary of guys. Okay, so the first one is the coming from the Asolite Digital Hiring Challenge. So this challenge will be organized by the Asolite, okay. So it is a this company will be hiring for the software engineers, okay. So they will be, I am sharing all of what is the eligibility criteria. The main important point is that the BTech, those who are currently doing their BTech, MTech, MSc, MCA, MCA, those who are also eligible for it, CSE and IT branch are will be take a special benefit for it because they all the job description is the mainly software engineer, okay, and also other branches students are also apply for it. There is nothing an issue guys. The salary package will be between these 5 LPA to the 8 LPA plus, okay. So it will be depend on your interview process, okay. So clear your first round in a few minutes, then you will be receive a call from us. The website will tell you that after through this interview your salary package will be decided, okay. So the job description I am telling you that it is a software engineer. So basic software engineers are frequently asking questions are mostly coming from the data structure and algorithms and operating system, database management system. These are the common topic guys which are frequently asked of a soft when you going for a software engineering interview. Okay, so how you can apply for it? You go to this, simply go to this apply now section, then put your fill up your first name, last name, email ID, mobile number, sorry, mobile number, email ID, Skype ID. So if you does not any type of Skype ID, does not worry about guys, go to this type, okay. So I hope every laptop you only go to the your, sorry, you go only go to your taskbar and only write K YPE Skype. Okay, so this is a app. Okay, only clicking this and go to this and simply giving your email ID and password. Create a Skype ID. Okay, it is a mandatory for it. Okay, so after that go to this. After that, you only write your institution name. After city, gender, year of passing, but only important guys here they will mainly looking for the 2021, but if you graduate in the 2020 21, okay, so you will be also eligible for it, okay. So the language you will be choose your language, C++, Java, Python, okay. In any type of, in this type of four programming language which are mainly frequently programming language, okay. Many of students are learning this C++, Java, Python, okay. You choose in which programming language you will be very much familiar, okay. After that you will be upload your resume, but one important point guys, note it down. That's why sorry, the resume will be up to 1 MB, okay. And then only click to the submit button, okay. Then your resume will be submitted. After that the location will be Gurugram, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Mumbai, this type of locations, okay. I am sharing you the official link of it, okay. You will be detailedly read this the article, okay. So there will be, I am telling you guys, there will be normal because the description or the, you can say, the designation of this post is the software engineer, mean SDE. Okay, so that's why the basic interview questions which are frequently asked, C++, Java, sorry, any type of programming language, and then data structure, algorithm, operating system, DBMS. Okay, and these questions are frequent. These topics questions are frequently asked in many in company interview questions. Okay, so that's looking for our next job interview. Next is coming from the Lenovo. I hope you all are familiar with this name Lenovo, because many of us we will use these Lenovo laptops, okay, and many things which are manufactured by this Lenovo company, okay. So at first you go to this official website which is you get in the description of our video of, okay. So after that you will be only clicking this apply now section. After click this apply now section, please stay, please give me some time. Yes, so here you will be upload your resume, okay, or you upload your resume data from, if you are a an account in LinkedIn, Dropbox, Google Docs. But one important thing, guys, maximum file size will 5 MB. Here is the application form. You will fill this application form, your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, country, resume, and then continue it. Okay, it's a very easy process, guys. Okay, but one important thing, guys, these two job opportunities is a big opportunity for all of us, those who are currently freshers and currently graduated in 2020, 21, 2022 batches. Okay, so go to this apply these guys as soon as possible. If you fulfill all of these eligibility criteria, okay, you must apply for it. Okay, so I am best wishes for all of you. Okay, you will be get selected in this interview. Thank you to all of you guys to watching this video. Please guys, please subscribe us and please stay with us. Thank you to all of you.